Come with me, let's build our drone electronics together.
In order to build our below 1 kg drone, here's what we need. A 1400 kV motor, a 40 amps electronic speed controller, an 8-inch diameter, 6-inch pitch propeller, and the 3S battery. So our first step is we are going to connect our motor to our electronic speed controller. In this connection, what is most important is that the odd colored wire, in this case the color is yellow, must be connected to the center wire in the electronic speed controller. The other wires, that's here, the black and the red wire, they can be interchanged. What that does is to change the direction of rotation of the motor. The next thing is to install our propeller. This is how you install your propeller. Alright, this is the basic configuration for our electronics. In our other video, we are going to install our servos, but basically this is how it's going to look at. Finally, I added a switch for us to be able to turn on and off our drone. Like and subscribe. Follow our drone build series.